Oh, come on now. Y'all know we all hate when them ants get the gang banging on one little piece of chicken in the middle of your sidewalk, man. I mean, he say he got the hack to get rid of that. You feel me? A little bit of cold water. Or is that cold water? Oh, okay, we're going to say a little bit of water. Some Dawn dish soap. Seem like Dawn kill everything, man. Fleas off your dog. You know what I'm saying? That Dawn dish soap, something special, for real. Okay, we mixing it on up. All right, yeah. We got to get everything together, right? I would suppose so. Pour it on the ants. They ain't coming back off of that one. I hope not anyway. Nobody ain't got time to be playing around with these ants, man. Them Jones get to crawling up on you and it's over. One get the bite and it ain't all right. Tired of spiders, ants, and other bugs. Yeah, we tired of that. Okay. Y'all seen the product, right? Don't ask me because he just showed you. This getting rid of everything, man. I wish it got rid of snakes, fake friends. You know what I'm saying? Because you got to keep the grass low. It said insects, right? A couple of them do move like insects. So I'm just wondering. Oh, yeah, summertime is lit. All right, what we got? If you have ants, don't kill them. Hold on. Don't just go inviting people into the crib so they can just sleep here for free. Bills got to get paid, and if you ain't paying no bills, you ain't staying in this crib, you hear me? So the ants got to go. Okay. So you got a solution for all that. All right. That Terrio? Yeah, that don't go crazy. I ain't even gonna lie. I done seen a couple ants get put on their back, you hear me? They ain't messing with that right there. All right. Oh, hit him with the drip drop. Okay. Now, I never seen nobody, like, do this in person. You feel me? I just seen the end result. And I'm telling y'all, ants was lined up, head to foot, stretched out. You hear me? It was an ant cemetery on the floor. Like, this thing, look. I'm telling you, got them in a circle. Now, they praying that they get up out the crib because they know that you coming with that, yeah. You hear me? Put them down. Don't let them chill and live in your... Kill ants? I'm real interested in this one. Yeah, they need to go. 1 cup of water, half a teaspoon of that Bull Rex. I just want to know one thing. Is it going to take it back to the queen and put her on her spleen? Because I'm tired of them things keep on running down on me, man. It's about time I fight back. It's about time y'all fight back. This right here going to get rid of them ants ASAP.